You know AI is moving fast. You know the tools. You have seen the videos. You are seeing your competitors posting on LinkedIn about their workflows. Even the younger competitors. Not that you are not smart enough, but that you are feeling left behind. And here's the thing, it's not about that you don't understand AI. You are behind just because that you don't have any extra time to do anything. And the reason that you don't have extra time, it's just because you are bleeding it. You are bleeding 15 to 35 hours every single week. Hi, I am Sangeet Seth. I build AI system for expert-led businesses. And today I am going to show you exactly where your time is going. Also, why you can't see it and what happens when you get it back. You are excellent at what you do. 20 years of expertise, real client results, people paying for you because you are genuinely brilliant at your craft. But between the coaching calls, the proposals, the onboarding, the follow ups, the content you are supposed to be creating, that somehow finds you 10 p.m. on Thursday. The days just disappear. You work 50 hours, maybe 60, your calendar is full, your inbox is exploding. But if I ask you what you built this month, not what you delivered to the client, not what you have actually responded to, but what you have actually built, that's not your fault. That's the real friction in your business. Here's how I think about the work you do. There are three buckets. Let's imagine there are three buckets. Bucket 1 is the genius work, bucket 2 is the process work, and the bucket 3 is the friction work. Let me describe each one by one. So, the bucket 1 is the genius work, where this is the coaching, the strategy, the intuition you have built over decades. Only you can do this, and this is where your revenue lies. This is what your client pays for. Bucket 2 is the process work, onboarding, proposal, content, follow up. This follows a pattern every single time. It should be AI drafted and human reviewed. But right now, you are doing it manually. This is eating 30 to 40% of your week. Let's talk about bucket 3, the friction work. The searching, the copy pasting, the re explaining context for the third time. The rebuilding of the same thing from scratch because you can't find the version you made last month. This work should not exist at all, and it's eating another 20 to 30% of your week. Most expert led businesses are spending 60% of their time every week on the bottom two buckets. 60%. That's 30 hours every week that could be systematized, automated, or eliminated. But instead, you are bleeding it. And here's the cruelest part, those 30 hours, they are not just wasted time. That's compounding time. That's the time you would use to build the content engine that fills your pipeline for the next 6 months. That's the time you would use to design the productized offer that would 3x your revenue per client. That's the time you would use to build the system that would eliminate the friction permanently. But you can't because you're too busy maintaining the illusion of a business instead of actually building one. Let me show you the data. Asana published their annual Anatomy of the Work report. They surveyed thousands of knowledge workers across dozens of industries. The finding, people spend 60% of their time on work about work, coordination, status updates, searching for information, managing shifting priorities. Only 40% is left for the actual skilled work they were hired to do. McKinsey found the same thing. Knowledge workers spend half their time on interactions and nearly 20% of their week, one full workday, just searching for internal information. Now you might be thinking, okay, but I am not a corporate knowledge worker. I run my own business. This doesn't apply to me. Wrong. It works for you because at least the knowledge worker in a company has an operations team, an admin, someone handling the coordinations. You are doing all it by yourself. Now let me show you how the small stuff compounds, the small frictions that you don't see. Let's take 5 friction points. These are going to sound familiar. Finding client context before a call, you are digging through old emails, past notes, trying to remember where you left. It takes 8 minutes. Rebuilding the same email from scratch, you know you wrote something last week, but you can't find it. So you just rewrite it. 12 minutes of your time gone. Searching for the resource you know you have saved somewhere. It's in Drive or Notion, or maybe you emailed it yourself. 6 minutes of your time lost. Re-entering client data across 3 different tools because nothing talks to each other. 10 minutes. Trying to remember who you were supposed to follow up with And when? Because you don't have a system. 5 minutes of your time gone. That's 41 minutes in total. Once a day, 5 days a week. 205 minutes per week. That's 3.4 hours every single week. Now multiply by 52 weeks. 178 hours per week. 5 tiny friction points. You don't have these 5 friction points. You have 20 to 30 of this scattered across your business. You are losing 1000 plus hours per year to friction you don't even see as friction anymore, because it feels like work. It feels like you are being productive, but you are not building anything. You are just bleeding time. Here's the part that's going to sting. You are not operating at a full capacity. You are not even operating at half capacity. You are operating at about 1% of your actual capacity. Not because you are not smart, not because you are not skilled, but because friction has convinced you that this, the emails, the admin, the searching, the copy pasting, is what running a business looks like. So you never build the thing that would 10x your business. You never created the content engine that would make you go to expert in your niche. You never designed the offer that would let you scale without adding more hours. You maintain the business, but you don't build it. Now, let me explain what I mean by compounding time. There are always two parts across the business. Number one is the manual path, and number two is the system path. In manual path, you spend 30 hours a week on friction and process work. Every week, 52 weeks a year, that's 1560 hours every year. And next year, the same 1560 hours. The next year after that, the same 1560 hours. You are running on a treadmill forever. Then there is path B, the system path. You invest 40 hours upfront to build systems that eliminate the friction. You spend 5 hours a week maintaining those systems. That's 300 hours in 1 year. You just bought back 1260 hours in the first year only. You are still at a 5 hours a week. 260 hours total. You just bought back another 1300 hours that year. By year 3, you recovered 3800 hours. 3800 hours is 475 full work day. That's almost 2 full years of 40 hours per week recovered, because you spent 40 hours building system instead of staying on the treadmill. But here's the thing, you never going to invest those 40 hours. Why? Because you don't have that 40 hours. You're too busy doing the work that you should have been systematized 2 years ago. That's the trap. Let me tell you what you are not doing because of friction. You are not creating content consistently, so your pipeline stay dependent on referrals and word of mouth, which means your revenue is unpredictable. You are not designing a productized offer, so you are still trading hours for dollars, and your income has a ceiling. You are not building a client intelligence system, so you are re explaining context every session, and your clients don't feel like you truly get them. You are not documenting your processes. So when you finally do hire someone, you spend 20 hours training them and they still get it wrong. You are not engaging with your audience. So, younger, less experienced people are building the personal brand you should have built 5 years ago. And the worst part, you know all of this. You know you should be doing these things every single week. The urgent work crowds out the important work, and you stay stuck on the same path. Let me tell you what happens when the friction disappears. I work with an offer consultant named Laurie Young. She runs On a Mission Brands. 20 plus years of experience, brilliant at what she does. Before we worked together, she was losing 15 hours a week, rebuilding their client intake, rebuilding their building the offer system, the delivery, the content, each and everything takes her 15 hours of time every single week. She was losing context between sessions because her notes were scattered across 6 different tools. She had 6 GPTs. They were smart, but they were isolated. They didn't talk to each other. So she was still doing everything manually. Here's what we built. We built 5 different cloud power systems that takes all her efforts into them. They work, talk to each other, and build things for her. She got 15 hours back every week. That's 60 hours a month, 780 hours a year. So the point is not that she is working less now. She just stopped faking the work and started building. She didn't learn a single tool herself. I built it for her, trained her, and handled it over. She just used it. And now she is operating at 90% of her capability instead of 1%. Still not 100%, but it's still life changing. Here's what happens when you eliminate friction. You get 15 to 20 hours back every single week immediately. You don't know what to do with the time at first because you have been on the treadmill for so long. You use those hours to build the system that you have been meaning to get to for 2 years. The content calendar, the lead nurture sequence, the client onboarding that actually wows people. And eventually, those systems starts compounding. Your pipeline fills automatically, client delivery improves without more effort from you. You start to feel like you are in control again. You are operating at 90% of your capacity instead of 1. You are building now. You are not just maintaining. That's the difference. If you felt that in your gut, the busy but not building, the 1% capability, the friction stealing your compounding time, I do friction audits. 45 minutes. Yeah, 45 minutes. I map your entire business, every friction point, every time leak. I calculate exactly where your time is bleeding using the friction score formula. You get a personalized report, yours to keep, no strings. I open only 5 slots every month. If you want one, go to setz.co and calculate your friction score first. It takes 90 seconds, few questions, you will see the math on what this is costing you. You have spent years building what you do. AI shouldn't be the thing that leaves you behind. The problem isn't that you don't understand it. The problem is you don't have time. And the reason you don't have time is because you are bleeding it to friction. Let's find it, let's fix it, let's get you back to building. Link is in the description. I will see you in the audit. Till then, bye bye. Meet you soon.